Good morning. Who wants to go first?
Governor,
What was your reaction to, getting booed off the stage last night at the event?
Well, we several months ago, you may recall that we made some adjustments to the Commonwealth's purchasing program and created an opportunity for gay and lesbian and LGBT businesses that are owned by folks to participate more fully in the state's procurement process, and that was the reason we were invited in the first place, which was to talk about that. I spoke about that program. I talked about my support for marriage equality and the fact that I was the only Republican governor in the country that signed the amicus brief before the Supreme Court, which happily we won. And I talked about the fact that I think it's important for advocates on these issues to continue to tell their stories and to communicate with public officials and others because they're compelling and they're powerful and they matter. And I spoke for about 20 minutes all in, and obviously in the end that wasn't quite what folks wanted to hear, and I respect that. I mean, it's an emotional issue and people have strong feelings about it, and I respect that.
should you take a position on it? I think that's a criticism. Should you take a position on it?
Well, as a general rule, we don't take positions on legislation that's pending before the legislature for a lot of reasons. And I've made very clear that I don't believe we should discriminate against anybody in Massachusetts. And I've also made very clear that we will take seriously whatever legislation comes before us on this issue. And we've also said many times that we will be sure to talk to proponents about that if it were to happen. And I look forward to seeing this issue move forward. Look, I think my job is to meet with everybody and anybody, and sometimes that means I'm going to spend time in front of audiences that aren't going to agree with me on stuff. But that's kind of my job, and I get that.
The organizer of this event said that he referred to you as tone deaf today. He said that you were warned by the organizers that you really needed to go farther in saying something before that, or you were going to get that kind of reaction. I guess what is your response to that, and what was it like being booed off the stage?
Well, as I said, I went to the event because I believe in and support many of the issues that community is concerned about, and I'm proud of my record on those. And the original reason I was asked in the first place was because we'd done something that no other state in the country had done by creating an opportunity for LGBT businesses to participate more fully in the Commonwealth's purchasing program.
And I want you to go further, and do you feel like you're tone deaf?
Last question.
Look, as I've said many times, I don't believe we should discriminate against people in Massachusetts. I'm interested in anything the legislature sends our way, and we'll make sure to communicate effectively with people on that if and when that were to occur. But generally speaking, we don't comment on pending legislation. Okay, guys, take care.